Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent these sunshades for your back of your windows of your car. These things are really unique because you can actually use them two different ways. So they come in this nice packaging, and they have a sheer that you can see through it layer, and it's almost like a curtain that you can close on it as well. So there's your curtain, and you can pull these back and have it sheer. Super easy to install because it's just 16 magnets across the top here that just click on the inside of your door of your car. So we're going to go out to the car and we're going to put these on. So super easy to install. All you've got to do is this top part. You just put it across the metal of the inside of the door. And it just sticks right on. So you just have it sit on there and put it wherever you want to have it. And then from the inside, here, let's turn it the other way so we can see it better. We'll stick it on there that way so you can see it. Now, if we're in the inside of the car, you can then take these and open them up and tie it open to where you can see out. And there are ties on both sides here. Or you can keep it closed like it was and you have little privacy shades. So this would be really nice if you've got kids in the back and the sun's on them. Anything like that that would just help block that sun and keep it nice and private in the back seat. Now we've got privacy shades.